So, I don't know what I recorded of my last wrap attempt, but it was a nightmare. Got the new wrap in, and I also got a couple other things. So, I went to Hobby Lobby, got some felt. I found these magnets. Just got like 3 of them together. And then I got a couple of these that I had laying around. So, essentially, I think I'm going to glue some felt onto those so I can have some magnets. And then maybe like wrap the edge of this or something. So hopefully that gives me a better chance of this wrap job turning out good. So I think I'm going to take these, try to glue some of this felt to the back side of them, and maybe attach it to one of these. These are a little too small and this is a little too big and too flimsy, but I think it'd work, so we'll see. So this front one is tucked under that little seal all the way over. The side obviously just runs along in here. Back one. Corner looks good. Just goes back under that rail. All the way around. Same there, corner's looking good. Up this rail. And tucked under this guy. Looking awesome. So I'm happy with it. I'm gonna post heat the whole thing, especially the corners and edges. Heat this up, try to push that down a little bit, and then make a slice in there, shove all my wires through. And yeah, we're looking pretty good, honestly. I'm pretty excited. Everything's been post-heated. I just cut a little hole, slapped that guy in there, so I'm about to hop back under there, get this situation all sorted again. Shark fin is on. Sweet. Alrighty, shark fin's on. Interior is back together. So now I've got all new clips, and I believe my rails are those 2 guys, or these 2 guys. So yeah, I'm gonna pop those together, slap those in. That should be pretty much it. So I'm not sure I actually showed any of the clips, but they're all in. I'm happy with it. Let me show you. You can see like my bike reflecting in it like beautifully. Come over here. So the car looks a little better. So yeah, I'm all about it. But then, bonus content, I just did this. I figured I have this scrap piece and that scrap piece. And I always kind of wanted these to be black, but like glossy black, so I just threw it on top of there, traced it with an X-Acto knife, and now it's black. And I don't know, I think I like it. So you have kind of the black right there, and then we'll go over, you can see the chrome. So I'm going to try it, see what I think. We'll see.